Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF with a digital signature. A digital signature acts as a secure electronic stamp, verifying your identity and confirming the document's contents have not been altered since you signed it. This method offers a convenient and legally sound way to approve documents, saving you the effort of printing, signing, and scanning. It ensures your electronic agreements are both authentic and protected, making your workflow much more efficient. Before you can digitally sign your document, a few preparations are necessary. Firstly, make sure you have a suitable PDF application installed on your computer, like Adobe Acrobat Reader or a similar program, as these tools have built-in signing capabilities. Secondly, confirm that the PDF itself is not read-only, allowing for modifications. Finally, you will want to have your digital ID ready or understand how to create one within your chosen software before beginning the signing process. With your PDF open and ready, it is time to initiate the signing process. Locate the Tools menu or a clearly labeled Sign tab within your PDF application. Many programs feature a fill and sign option, which is often the quickest route for adding a signature. Alternatively, you might find a certificates section providing advanced options for digital ID and secure signing. Clicking on one of these will open the specific tools needed to place your unique digital mark on the document. Once you have selected the signing tool, you will be prompted to draw a box where your signature will appear on the document. If this is your first time, the software will guide you through creating a new digital ID, which involves setting a password and storing it securely. If you have an existing ID, simply select it. You can then customize the signature's appearance, adding your name, date, or a handwritten image, ensuring it looks exactly as you intend before applying it permanently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.